back to today's video. It's been a while since I've been filming videos because I've been so busy in my personal life, but I know you guys are very committed audience to my channel. I have unboxed both of these Picotin Daisy Picotin 14. It's called the Hermès Daisy Picotin lock in the size 14 on the channel with you guys. I figure what is a better way that I can better serve my community and also my audience by comparing directly of these two bags, because I have seen a lot of comparisons of all three colors or between either two, and then you guys know there's also one more color that was released in this series, which is in the chai color. The daisy print is a different color. So before I picked up this particular one, I have done a poll on Instagram under my first luxury asking you guys to help me decide if I should go with the Mauve Sylvestre or the chai, and I think by the end of the vote it came to a very close tie. So I believe people did choose the chai color over the silver, the Mauve Sylvestre. At that time my mind was definitely stuck around the fact that I want to expand my pink shades collection, so I had gone with the Mauve Sylvestre, which she is literally still brand new right now. You can see I have not been wearing it. This is how it came outside of the manufacturer when I picked her up. So far she's been doing great. I wanted to show you guys and also decode a little bit of what these prints really are, because it does look like a flower, which they call it the daisy, but if you look close enough you'll notice some other interesting details on this particular print. So between the two I am debating if I should keep both or let one go, and for now let's just go ahead and take a deep dive into comparing both of these Lucky Daisy Picotin 14 in Nata and also my little cutie pink one, which looks pink but it's actually listed under the Hermès purple family, which is the Mauve Sylvestre. So let's take a closer look at these two handbags as I have both of them and to show you in my first luxury fashion. There are so many interesting details on these two bags, which are identical but in different colors. So now let's take a closer look and let me highlight those details for you. Visually, what you see first are these floral patterns, but if you take a closer look, you can see that these are actually the horseshoe that make up this flower pattern, and right in the center where the bulb is, it is also a Hermès house motif. So these are not just daisy patterns obviously, but these are details of all the horseshoe stamps that connected into a shape of a daisy flower. How creative is that, right? So let me know in the comment section below how many of you already know that daisy flower is made up of the horseshoes before I decode it for you. The interior of the Daisy Picotin is pretty much the same as the traditional Picotin. It has a base and the inside is the raw leather, and it has a little strap that you can pull through the little hoop here, which I'm going to show you guys right now. It does come with one lock, which is, you know, the same as traditional one. This is just in the mini size. And the bottom is also very straightforward. It has this beautiful smooth leather, and I cannot tell you how much I love Swift leather. Alright, now you have seen both of these bags. They're just the cutest thing ever, aren't they? If you were to ask me which one do I use more often, I think the answer has revealed itself by the way they look. You can see on the Mauve Sylvestre I do not have a lock on there because she just currently is staying in her little box, and for my Nata leather one I have used it a ton. And even though people think, oh my goodness, this is between like a card case and a mini bag, I honestly think the size is next size above the mini bag. It's between a regular small size handbag and a mini bag perhaps, but the upside about the Picotin 14 is that it is very chubby. So she has a very big body volume where you can put quite a lot of things in there. So I think it's truly awesome. That's why I have been using her a ton, and I am aware that maybe I should put some, you know, like twillies or my yeah, my silk scarves on there to protect the handle. And I think the white color is very versatile, and I truly developed an obsession with the Hermès white color family. So I will continue adding a few more pieces. If I see anything cute, I would like to keep. And I love that the brand did a series re-releasing the Picotin Lock 14 in some special prints. So it will leave some special memory with me from this year, because it is a very special year that I actually got my hands on both of these really special pieces. I would love to know, as my viewers, which one and which color is your favorite, and let me know your reason in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed, don't be shy and hit that subscribe button, and also give this video a thumbs up because it really supports the channel. And any questions, leave them down below, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye.